Hey guys, this is just a quick unboxing of the AOC 23.8 inch LCD or screen monitor. This is the 24B 3HM, and we're just gonna take it out of the box, see what you get, and just quickly how it looks and if it's got mounting options and whatever. Let's get it out. So in the box you have your HDMI cable. They include that for you. The foot piece of the screen. It has a round foot piece. The little extension of the foot piece that fits into the foot piece. So it just goes in like that. It's got a little clip at the bottom. The foot piece has got rubber feet, 4 of those, and this just clicks into the back of the screen. You've got your power cable. This is a bezel-less screen, almost. You can see there. It's got a thin piece of plastic over there, but your picture will only reach if you have a close look there. The picture still has a bit of a bezel, but so as close as bezel-less as you can get. Very nice, very nice screen. At the bottom of the screen you have your basic just buttons, and where the foot piece connects to the screen. And if you turn it around, at the back of the screen you still have VGA port support. You have a VGA port support, you have HDMI, and your speakers can plug in here, or headphones, so that your HDMI sound can be transferred to the speakers. And there's where you plug your power in. You've got also a little space for a lock, if you have a security lock that you can attach. And yes, this screen has got VESA support for the VESA brackets. AOC branding at the back. So there it just shows you AOC. Over here you can see the model number and everything of this screen. The screen doesn't have speakers or anything built into it. Let's quickly connect that foot piece. Just goes in like this. And there is also the little button that releases it. So once you've put it, connected it, gives a little click, and the screen is now securely attached to that foot piece. So let's quickly maybe get a picture on it and just see how what the colors look like. Alright, so it's plugged in. Let's quickly switch it on. You'll see that the bezel, it comes up with the AOC screen. The bezel is it is there. It's got a bezel, but it's on the screen itself. And yeah, so that the black parts of the screen is a little bit gray. If you just use the arrows on the screen, you can definitely get this gray area a lot better. When you press the left arrow, you have the option of clear vision, and when you switch that on, it's now strong. Then the contrast on the screen is a lot better. Medium is obviously now medium of what it was, and off. So you can increase the contrast of the screen by just using this feature in the menu. On a picture like this, you'll see if you change the contrast to the weak, it makes it a bit the darks more dark, and medium and strong. So you can definitely see a big change between strong and off. So clear vision does definitely do something to the picture. There you go. This is the AOC unboxed, and hopefully it just helps you decide if you want this or not, if it'll fit your lifestyle, and yeah, thanks for watching.